ಹೇಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ absolutely fine. So today is second day in Goa. Right now we are going towards the beach. Yesterday we went to the Kalangut beach. Now we are going towards the Baga beach. Uh, so right now we just made it to the Baga beach. Like compared to the one where we went yesterday, there aren't much people over here. Now I'll show you some beach view and then let's go back to the hotel and let's leave Goa. Bye bye Baga Beach. Meet you next time. So yup. Right now it's 9:03. We are heading back to the room and yes, that's it. We'll have the breakfast and then lift to Bangalore. So right now we were going back to the hotel and I just saw something. Jellyfish. That was the baby jellyfish which was lying on the seashore. Oh, yep, just went over there. So let's go back to the room and let's get ready. And one more place we are going towards, which is I'll tell you on the way. So we just checked out of the resort, the hotel where we were staying, and we came towards another place which is known as Aguada Fort, and just see the fort and enjoy it. This is the Aguada Fort, and that's the main point that like everyone are going and standing and taking some pics. So even we'll go and have some pics. Let's go. This is the view what we get. That is the Taj resort, and this is the view. So that's it here. So leaving Goa and going somewhere else. So let's go.
One eternity later.
So finally we just reached Murdeshwara, and I didn't vlog much in between because I just slept off. Now we are at Murdeshwara. Like the lighting is superb. Unfortunately the Darshana has been closed, so we can't go in, but I'll just show you the overall view. Let's go. This is the view. Like it's worth coming over here. Like if you have drones and all, you can get even more super and like good shots and all. Otherwise also it's like worth taking those shots and all from ground. And in morning it looks even more fabulous than like in night you get these lightings and all, but in morning you can see like with the beach view, or if you come just during the sunset time or like nearby that time, you get even more better view. So yes, that's it in Murdeshwar. Let's go to next place. So just made it to the room, and right now we are at Kollur. After Murdeshwar we just came here. Like we could have done towards Bangalore also, but it would have become a tiring stretch. So we thought no need of going towards Bangalore. We'll take a halt and Kollur. I haven't been here before, so we thought like we would come towards the Kollur and then go via Shimoga and Tirthalli. So that's it for the day. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment on. And meet you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Shubharatri. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.